Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about Viktor Frankl's Man's Search for Meaning. Imagine you are in a concentration camp, you are tortured every day, you are without proper food and clothing, and people are dying around you every day. What will happen to you? Well, that is the story of Viktor Frankl, who is an author of 39 books, including Man's Search for Meaning, which continues to be on Amazon's top 100 books of all time. He is also known for surviving Hitler's concentration camp, though he lost his wife, brother, and parents in these camps. After the World War II, he returned to Vienna and wrote this book over a period of 9 days. The book was initially released in German in 1946 anonymously, as Viktor did not want anyone to find out about him. But later on, he released it in English in 1959, and it went on to become an international bestseller. The 5 lessons that we can learn from this book are: first, it's not the problem but our attitude towards it that defines where we will end up. Most of the people who died in these concentration camps had actually lost faith, and that is why they did not survive. The second lesson is suffering is inevitable. Everyone is guaranteed to go through suffering, but still, hardly anyone is prepared for it. He who has a why can bear anyhow. So if you have a strong purpose, then you can bear anything in your life. That is the third lesson Viktor talks about. Always have a purpose in your life. If you lose your purpose, you are truly lost. The fourth lesson is your reaction is your character. You see, there is a formula E plus R is equal to O, which means there is an event which happens in everyone's life, and the reaction of the individual decides what the outcome is going to be. With the same event, we can have different outcomes. Let's say if you are having a cup of tea in a restaurant and the waiter comes and brushes accidentally on your hand and you spill the tea. So most of the people will lose their temper and they will talk rudely to the waiter and curse him, and their whole day will be spoiled, and they will say, things are not going well for them. But if there is another person who does not lose the temper, on the other hand, he tells the waiter, bless you, cleans his shirt and moves away, that person is bound to have a great day, and he will be in a better position to make things work for him. The fifth lesson is kindness is present everywhere. So if you are kind-hearted, if you care for others, you will always find kind people who are willing to help you, who will go out of the way to make things happen for you. And the most important lesson from this book is everything can be taken away from a man, but his attitude and his response to a given circumstance. So friends, it is our reaction and our response that finally decides what is the kind of person we become in our lives. I hope you liked and I hope you have a wonderful day and you find a purpose in your life so that you can be really inspired and you can achieve great things.